everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this quick video, I will walk you through how to log into your Instagram using a browser, whether it's on your computer or a phone. And yes, the steps are almost identical if you're using the Instagram app too, so follow along. First, open your browser, navigate to your search engine and go to instagram.com. On the home page, you will see the login form. Enter your username, email or phone number. You just have to fill up the credentials with which you signed up. And then your password. If you cannot remember your password, simply tap Forgotten Password under the login form. Instagram will guide you through resetting it using your phone number or email and tap Login. You will be redirected to your Instagram feed and just like that, you are in. If you're using the Instagram app, the login page looks almost the same. Just open the app and follow the same steps. Enter your username and password and then tap Login. And that's it. Super simple whether you are using a browser or the app. If this video helped, don't forget to like and follow for more tech tips every day. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.